welcome back to your computer class. Children, last class you saw monitor, CPU, keyboard, hand mouse, and I hope you all have drawn it also and colored it also. Many of them would have done it, right? Yes. If you have done it, can you send it to me in the next class? Let me see how colorful you have drawn your computers. You can just send it through the WhatsApp. Okay? Yes, children? Yes. Today we'll be moving on a little further. Understand? A little further to understand what is a computer, how it exactly runs. Okay? ಏ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಅದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮಾನಿಟರ್, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Okay, so we have made the mouse to sit in one place, not to run around. Yes, children? Yes. So what is this? If anybody asks you what is this, what you will be telling? It is a computer. It is a computer. Very good. What is a computer? A computer is a machine. A computer is a machine which takes the input, process it and gives the output Understood? Yes. And it works on electricity. Fine, children. So before moving it to the topic, let us learn the spellings. Okay? Let us learn the spelling. First, we'll be learning the spelling of computer. Okay. Is everyone ready with your book and pencil? Yes? Fine. You are supposed to write with me and tell with me. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. Repeat. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. Yes, very good. Next we'll be moving on to parts of computer. Okay. And that first one will be monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. You got it. Very good. Then M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Then keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. 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 Keyboard. Then CPU. Very easy. CPU. 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 Understood? Very good. Shall we repeat it once again? C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. monitor. mouse, mouse. keyboard, keyboard. CPU, central processing unit. You learn later, but learn this now. CPU. Understood, children? Are you writing it? These spellings, I'll give you few more spellings so that you're supposed to write it. I'll tell you what to do with them. Okay? Right now, you're done with this? Yes. Then, next one. Computer is a machine. Yes or no? Are you a machine? No, we are not machine. We are human beings. We made computer. We have made machine to work for us. Yes, we have made machine to work for us. So what is a computer? Computer is a machine which works on electricity. If power goes up, what will happen? You might tell, ma'am, we have UPS at home. Yes, but it works on electricity. Where will the UPS work? It should also work on electricity, right? Without power, it can't work. Yes or no? Yes. Your phones also, you'll have to charge them, right? You'll have to put it to the charge. Only once it is charged, it works for you. After the charge is gone, where it will work? It will not work. Even that will not work. Yes? So, the computer is a machine which works on electricity. So, now you learn another two spellings. That is machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E. Machine. Another one is electricity. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-T-Y. Okay. So the first one is machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E. 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 Are you repeating? I'll get to know. If I give you dictation, if you write wrong spellings, you'll be punished. M-A-C-H-I-N-E. Machine. Then electricity. Electricity. Elect. E-L-E-C-T. Electricity. R-I-C-I-T-Y. R-I-C-I-T-Y. Shall we repeat it? E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-T-Y. 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 Electricity. Understood? Understood? Yes. Next. What are machines, children? As I said you, machines are man-made. Man-made. Yes, machines are man-made things. What you are supposed to tell? Machines are man-made things. Repeat with me. Machines are man-made things. Shall I write it? No need to write this. You repeat with me. Machines are man-made things. Don't make spelling mistake. Machines are man-made things. Machines are man-made things. Repeat. Machines are man-made things. Machines are man-made things. Repeat. Machines are man-made things. Understood? Repeat. Machines are man-made things. Shall we see the example? Yes. So example is of machines, TV. What is TV? Where you see Chota Bheem, where you see Rudra, then Doraemon, Ninja Hattori. Yes, you all watch this on your TV. TV is television. Cartoons, where you watch your cartoons. Television. Okay, I know. Many will be telling all the cartoons. I know only few of them. I've said them. Understood? So, example of a man-made machine is television. Then, refrigerator. 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 What do you keep in this? Ice cream, chocolate, cake, milk, cream, butter. To store the food. Yes, to store the food so that they are fresh, you use the refrigerator. What is refrigerator, children? Fridge. Fridge is your refrigerator. Understand? Wherein mom has kept ice cream and chocolates, so that you should not know. What you do, you just go slowly, open your fridge or refrigerator and see to it that nobody is watching you, and you take the things and eat it. Then once you catch cold, your mom or dad will come to know that you have ate ice cream and chocolate. Yes? That is what you do? Yes? How many of you do it? How many of you do it? I myself do it. Yes? Okay, fine. Get back to the class. So, refrigerator, it is also a machine made by man. Made by man. We'll learn the spellings, okay? The next one is washing machine. Washing machine. Why do you use it? To take bath? Why do you use the washing machine? To take bath? No, washing machines are used to wash the clothes. Very good. You all know your dirty clothes are being washed by the washing machine. Then, aeroplane. Aeroplane. To fly, you use the aeroplane. Yes? Yes. It runs on fuel. It runs on fuel. Okay? It runs on fuel. Then next, train. Train. Cycle. Train. Cycle. Okay? And this runs on manpower. Okay, some will see this. So now, shall we learn the spellings again, children, of all these things? Okay. Television. 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 Refrigerator. 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 Washing machine. WASHINGMACHINE. WASHINGMACHINE. Then aeroplane. 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 Train. 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 Cycle. Cycle runs on manpower, children. Okay, cycle runs on manpower. If I should pedal. Of course, you have your gear cycle, but you are supposed to pedal, right? Other things, they run. If you turn it on with the help of the electricity, they run. Aeroplane, if you put the fuel to it, if you put the liquid petroleum to it, aeroplane will move. Yes. Okay, I just have to move the flight. Pilot does that, right? Moving left and right, straight and go. Okay. Train also. But whereas in the cycle, what you're supposed to do, you have to pedal to go. Yes, that's the manpower. I have done the cycle. I have developed the cycle. Machine, it is a machine to move, okay, from one place to another. But it requires the manpower. It requires the manpower. I should pedal the cycle. Understood, children? I should pedal the cycle. Okay. Hope you have understood now. Then, spellings have you noted down? Cycle. 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 Understood? Yes. Now, machines are made by man. Then what are we? We are done by nature. Understand, children? See, machines, now you saw television, radio, clock, refrigerator, washing machine, your AC air controller, cycles, okay, aeroplane, train, and everything. It's all these are machines. Computer is also a machine which is made by us. ನಾವು ಮಷೀನ್ಸ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ? Nature. Why? Why? Do machines breathe? Do machines breathe, children? Are you all breathing? Yes, I am breathing. I'm not a machine. I'm not a machine. I don't work on electricity. I work on food. Yes, I work on food. I work on sleep. Yes or no? Yes. So, I am a living thing. I am a living thing. Machines are non-living things. Machines are non-living things. For example, this is a duster. Duster is a living thing or a non-living thing? Does it breathe? Does it breathe? No. So, duster is a non-living thing. Duster is a non-living thing. So, then I'll come for this. So, this is a plant. This is a pineapple plant. It is growing. Yes, children, it is growing. Can you see the roots? Can you see the roots of the pineapple plant, children? Yes, such big roots. So this is a living thing. Understand? This is a living thing. This pineapple plant is a living thing, whereas your duster is a non-living thing. The same way, computer is a non-living thing, whereas man is a living thing. Understood? Understood? This is a living thing. This one is a non-living thing. Understand? This cannot breathe. I am using it. Yes? Whereas this can breathe. This can breathe. This can grow. Understood? Got it, children? Are you seeing this? See? Beauty of nature. This is made by man. This is not made by man. It is growing itself, taking the sunlight, taking the water. Okay? Yes? So, and it is breathing. So, this is a living thing and this is a non-living thing. Understood? Now tell me, what is this? Living thing or a non-living thing? Non-living thing. Very good. This one? Non-living thing? No, this is a living thing. Understood? Yes? Very good. You're so intelligent, I'll tell. Very good, children. So, man-made things are non-living. Okay? Nature, made by nature, are living things. Living things. Living things. Okay, children, in your textbook, you have page number 13. Page number 13. You have an activity. Tick the ones which are machines. Okay, tick the ones which are machines. By next class, I'll be asking you. Fine, I'll be asking you and I'll give you the correct answers. So before that, with the help of your parents, okay, you are supposed to take the pencil and tick. No using crayons or color pencils or pens. Understand? Take a pencil. You are supposed to tick on the machines. You are supposed to tick on the machines. Okay? And in the next class, we'll be discussing the desktop computer, tablet and smartphone. Okay? Desktop computer, tablet and smartphone. I'll tell you in the next class. But right now, you are supposed to do the work on the page number 13 activity. Tick on the machines. Okay? Activity. With that, you are supposed to practice the spellings. You are supposed to practice the spellings of I'll just write it, of computer, monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, machine, electricity. Okay children, you just practice these words. Okay, practice these words and do the activity on page number 13. Page number 13 activity. Page number 13 activity. Understand children? So in the next class you should be thorough with these spellings. Then you will be finishing the page number 13 activity. You are supposed to put a tick on the machines, which are machines. Understand children? So meet you up in the next class. Until then, take care.